Hello friends, how are you? Today's video I will explain you about table pattern. Previous video almost I have covered all type of pattern feature in Creo. So first we will create one part and we will create one extrude feature on that part, and we will learn how to pattern the extruded feature on that surface. So first thing we will do, we will select our working directory. I will create one new part. Here I uncheck the default template. I will provide one name to part. It will be table pattern, table pt1 solid part. I will create this part in millimeter Newton second. So MMNS part solid ABS. I will select this template. Yeah, first I am extruding on top plane. Just create one rectangle. Make a symmetry. I will make the strong dimensions 500, 300. Provide the thickness. On that surface, over that surface, I will create one another extrude feature. Sketch view. I will create one circle. I am providing 20 mm diameter. From edge, I am taking the dimension from edge, from this edge. I am taking it as 25, and another one dimension I am taking it as okay, this one also 25. First I will make a extrude cut. I will extrude up to next. So I'm going to table pattern. Just select this extrude feature, select the pattern table from editing. Here in types you will get the lots of options for dimension like in pattern feature. Already we have covered all these type of patterns. Now I selected the table. First you need to select the dimensions. Here we need to add those dimension into table. So first I am selecting diameter. Again I need this dimension, so I will modify in my table. Hold the control and select these two dimension, x and y directions. Go to edit table here. So you have total three dimension. One is diameter and x and y direction. Here first you need to provide series number. How many pattern you need? I will go up to 4. So I will keep diameter as it is 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm. Okay, so I will change my x and y direction. So I will increase this dimension by 10 mm. 35, 45, 55, 65. Here also same 35, 45, 55, 65. Just what I will do, I will hit now here I will select save. Your table will automatically save here. Okay, otherwise control yes. Close your table. See how your pattern is, you will how your pattern is looking like. Again go and change, otherwise it will intersect. You want to see it. I will hit OK button like that. Okay, in table pattern again I will go and edit the table. Here I will provide 55 or from 60 we will start 60, and here 100 by 40 mm. I am increasing every pattern, every line. Okay, now again here 60, 100, 140, 180. Again save, hit the Ctrl S button, close, it will automatically update. Hit the OK button. If you want to change your whole dimension with the pattern, just you need to change here. Next one, if you want to increase by 50 mm, here you want to decrease up to 10 u, and this one you want to make 70. Okay, again just Ctrl S, close the table. Here it will automatically update. See. Okay, I think uh, you got the clarity on that table pattern. Again we will go with another feature. I will make one okay, another extrude. I will create one rectangle here. This will be 40, this will be 30, sorry, didn't update. Over the surface I am creating this pattern. Just provide this one is 35, this one is 40. Okay, sorry, 40, enter. Here I am providing height as 50 mm. Hit the OK button. Now I am taking this extrude to my table pattern. Just go and select from type. Just select the table pattern. Again select any number. In which series you want, you need to select that one. Suppose in first row I want this one. Okay, select this one. Second row I want this one, select this one. Third row I need height, select by holding control button, and x direction, y direction. Just go to edit table. Okay, that in the manner which you have previously selected, in that manner only you will get the your rows and columns. Okay, just provide how many number of pattern feature you want. Just provide here serial number. Here it is 40 mm. If you want to reduce 20, make 20. Here just first I will give one example. Okay, here you want to make this one is 10, make 10. Here you want to increase your height, make 100 mm. Here you want to change your x and y direction, just change here, provide 50, provide 60. Okay, just save it, Control S, close this one. Error, invalid data in the pattern table, re-add it. Yes, so one, 1 2 3 4 5. So we are provided valid data, but why it is selling invalid? You provided here other series number also, so that's why uh, you are getting the message like invalid data. So you need to fill this one also. 30, provide anyway. 150, just increase height. You want decrease, increase or decrease? Here 50. Now I will increase 80. I will make it 100, vice versa. I am changing this one, but I am increasing the height by 50. Okay, here I am providing minus 40. Let's see what will happen. Here 140 or 150. Here I will go with minus 50. Let's see what will happen. Control C, Control S, close that table. See, automatically all the direction get increase. Hit OK button. You will get the pattern. Again, I will edit it in good manner. Control S. See how your pattern get updated. In previous video, I think in previous video I have missed reference pattern also. So we will learn that reference pattern from this video. Here I am making all the diameter same. Control S. Just close, update this one. Okay, and just go to extrude, select this surface. I am taking here from reference this one. Extrude 25. 5 mm. I'm extruding 5 mm. This one. Let's go to pattern. See, if you are selecting that previous circle as a pattern like a reference, so automatically you are getting the reference pattern. There is no need to select any type of like any other type. It will automatically select the your previous references from table pattern. Okay, so if you want to change the type of pattern, you can change here. Otherwise, just hit OK button. So it will automatically select the references of the previous pattern. Okay, friend. I think you have the clear knowledge about the uh, reference pattern and table pattern. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you.